Hi, this is Larry, and this is my Subaru Sambar van. It's a 94. Basically, I'm going to show you how I installed 2-point seat belts in here. These are quickies. These are not that secure, to be honest, but they're good enough to get by for until you can put 3-pointers in. They're very easy to install on a Sambar. So I'll show you how I did it. And it's first you got to put the seats down. Oops, and let me see if I can do that while holding the phone. Okay, seat goes flat, pop this up. So seats go flat. So you have these rubber grommets that are there to begin with. Here, I'll take this out so you can see. And they're barely in there. Anyway, normally it comes when the car is like that. Anyway, you unscrew those. And I put the short side here first of the seat belt. And then basically I take this out. It's not that good of a screw. So if this is a permanent solution, you definitely need to go in here, take apart, get inside the cushion and add a stronger screw. This isn't the best screw. But anyway, then basically I shove this here. I shove that in there, and it's curved. They're all going to be curved. Make sure it's flat, this part, and not sticking up the other way. We won't be able to lock the seat in place. So anyway, it's flat. And then you might need to sand this flat a little bit. Mine work, but some don't. Back here, where is it? This you probably can't see because it's so dark here, but this goes into that slot to lock the seat into place, and this can be a little too fat. So mine works, but it's tight. But if it's too tight, you can sand that flat to give you a little more, give you more space for the bracket to lock the seat in. Let me just hold that down while I tighten it down. And I tighten it down as hard as I can until it stops. Okay. And then now it's tight in there. And then basically, and I did it to this side too. I did the long side on that side so it doesn't get caught in the door. And that's it essentially. So then it locks into place. And now you have seat belts. Gonna have to hold this for a second. Just a second. Okay, now the seat's folded, and you can see I have seat belts in here. They're 2-point, but they work. And then I, just so you know, I wrapped that around this part here, and this is just here. So it'll be in the door a little bit, but not so bad if it was long. And anyway, that's how to do 2-point seat belts in a Subaru Sambar. And the issue you're going to have, no matter what you do with these, is that down here, this whole plate can move where the seats are on, and it's only held in place by this little bit of rubber that goes, I don't know if you can see that, that clips in there, and that holds the entire seat in place. And it's not very secure. You can see the whole thing moves. And so I'm going to put a metal wire there to secure it better, because clearly this isn't a good solution. But anyway, it's good enough for light work. Thanks for watching.